Watch. Focus.
Right now, we're trying to help get some of these animals adopted. We're offering some free packages at free training, 10% off some training. We're doing flyball, freestyle, obedience, just several things like that. What we're trying to stress most right now is that dogs need socialization throughout their entire lives so that they stay social to other dogs and people and children. And so that's kind of what we're stressing today, is that keep your dog socialized forever and ever so that you don't have to bring them out here and leave them as an aggressive dog that needs to be put down or readopted out to someone else.